Hi guys! So, today is 3 days past the event of the Globe that I hosted. The Globe event that I hosted. So, I haven't had the time to share with you yung experience ko and how was it like hosting a big event like that, which also is my first time din naman. So, ayun. Hindi ko na maximize yung opportunity ko to reach out to other people. Siyempre dun sa mga big big people na may mga name na talaga and have made it to the industry, to the gaming industry. Medyo na-intimidate ako sa kanila because di ko talaga alam kung paano mag-act, and grabe, ako extrovert na ako and bigla akong naging introvert nung ang bagal ni Kuya. But it was still a great experience. At least meron na akong idea kung ano yung gagawin ko next time. Hello, si Kuya, ano to? You're driving on the wrong side of the road, bruh. Babae pala eh. Inintay ko na lang din yung photos and everything because I'm really excited to post. Kasi syempre, it's a big achievement. And yun nga yung gusto kong mangyari sa college life ko. You know, build relationships, build connections, you know, explore the, iba't ibang industry. Kaya syempre, mabe-benefit din naman sa akin yun. Dahil at least ngayon, ang dami ko ng connections. Ang dami ko ng kakilala, ang dami ko na ding naging experience, ang dami ko na maging pwedeng life lessons po. I'm so sorry, guys. Look at this f***ing bus, bro. Just swerving like this. Kala mo, ang liit-liit na kotse. Okay, so today is the day for the Globe hosting event, and medyo kinakabahan ako actually because this is my first big event and I need to really stay calm because kapag nag-overthink ako, I might lose my composure. Yeah, so maglalagay lang ako ng lashes later and then contacts and then I'm off. Alright guys, we are grabe Lord. Kukunin na ata ako, charot. I'm just gonna grab coffee before we go there, and then 7 pa naman yung event, so we have a lot of time to polish and practice, but we have to be there nang early kasi syempre we don't wanna be late in our event, right? Oh my god, I'm so excited, pero at the same time kinakabahan ako. Okay, kaya natin to. Let's go. Favorite ni Sam yung Timbit. Kumala ako doon kasi pinag-uusitulan ako later. Alam din hindi ako nagko-coffee. So, this one is yung hindi nila mapait na coffee, which is the iced French vanilla. Oh my god, nahihilo ako. Bubok na din ako ng Grab papunta there. Kasi, coding po ako guys. And walang window hours ng Makati, unfortunately. So, yeah. Wala talaga siyang pait. Kapag-book na din ako ng Grab guys. Hindi pa tayo dumadating dun, ubus na to. Mas less sweet kaysa sa Dunkin' Donuts. Approved.
tinatanong nyo. Yan po dito sa may Ateneo. Aksidente. So wala po tayong katakutan kung puro na lang tayo ganito. Kasi nasabi namin,
So guys, GG.
Si Lisa. I don't remember Lily yung name niya sa game. Lily.
Okay. Say hi to the vlog. Don't forget to use our hashtags for tonight. Hashtag GlobeGGMixer and hashtag GameWellPlayed. Hindi ka natutuwa. Ito talaga pinagtitripan. Alam mo kung nandito si Liam. Ay, naku talaga. Eh, kasi bata pa lang eh. Hello.
And esports teams for our collaborations with Globe. For the games, I make sense for Globe as a business. Whether it be through revenues from ticket shares, or does it help our consumer burn more data, and or you know, if it helps like things like this, does it grow the gaming community? Then of course. Mr. Logan Bosniaco Jr.
Guys, the event is done. Look, they are all talking to each other now. I'm hungry as fuck. Uy, nakalaglag ko. I'm really hungry. Kasi hindi ako kumain kanina. Okay. Siyempre, ako, medyo adventurous akong person. Wow! Adventurous! Gusto ko lang din talaga mag-try ng iba't ibang bagay. That's why I really said yes to Julia. Kasi, siyempre, minsan lang naman ibigay sa yung opportunity. Why not take it, diba? Malayo man siya sa career ko. At least, alam ko meron akong possibility na pwede akong magkaroon ng career on that particular industry. So yeah, sana next time mas okay na yung performance ko, and alam ko naman din sa sarili ko na kaya ko siyang gawin. So I will really strive hard, you know, to be a better host for all of you guys. So yeah, yun lang naman ang gusto kong i-share, and I'm really late to my event. So yun, gusto ko lang din sana i-end na to. Charot. Okay, bye guys. I love you. Mwah, mwah.